Alright, what's going on, guys? So yeah, just got to get out of the house today. Figured I'd go for a little walk in the woods, maybe check out some spots here in Connecticut. I am vlogging with the Sony A6600, so we'll see how this comes out. Hopefully it comes out pretty good. I want to test out some B-roll videos with this, so some slow-mo shots. And yeah, hopefully we see some cool stuff today. That'd be pretty cool. Haven't been out on a hike in a really long time, so this is kind of nice. It's really quiet out here. So yeah, we'll see how this camera does on this nice little vlog. It's actually not that bad. Holding it, you know, I gotta switch hands every now and then, but it's not terrible. Still wouldn't take it longboarding. This is gonna be the video whether I think it'd be worth spending a couple $100s on a gimbal or not. A really good video to find out for that. Walking up down hills, uneven gravel, and then some leveler gravel. So I'm trying to keep my hand as steady as possible. It's really nice in here, guys. Most of the fall leaves are gone, but we have some right there. Oh yeah, it's nice. Alright guys, so in the truck, yeah, this was a good hike. It was nice to get out and you know, just be outside in that nice crisp air. This is like one of my favorite times of the year. Like that nice cold crisp air is like my favorite. It's like in the 40s, and that for me that's just like perfect. It was cool, good time. So yeah, it was just like a small little hike. I just kind of wanted to see what this camera was like to go vlogging and hiking. I'd say like my hike was maybe about an hour and a half. That's about how long I was hiking for. And holding the camera for that long was not that bad at all. Another thing is I'm going to start dropping links of all my gear in the descriptions of my videos. So if you're curious about the backpack I use or anything that was in the video that you guys might be curious about, I'm just going to throw down in the description the link on where I bought it. They're not like affiliates, I'm not getting paid or anything like that for if you guys click the link. It's just for you guys, if you guys are curious on what I use, if you liked anything and you want to know what it is, I put it in the description. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, thank you guys, appreciate it. And just like, comment, subscribe, it really helps out the channel. And I appreciate everything, thank you.